So what is our loose pack position for the knee? 20, 25 degrees. So you can have your little towels. We want to find joint line, and the towel is going to go just proximal to joint line. All right. And here's our joint line, just proximal joint line. One hand is going to stabilize the femur onto the towel. The other hand is going to go just underneath the patella onto the tibia, and then we're going to do our oscillations from that point. And then just remember, you're not going to feel as much movement on the knee joint as you are with the ankle, or like the wrist, okay? If we're going to do extension, we're going to flop it. So we're going to mobilize the convex joint surface, which is our femur. Convex is opposite the limitation. So if the limitation is distal leg coming up, femur would have to go down. So the towel roll is going to have to come just under joint line. We're going to stabilize the tibia on the towel roll, and then we're going to mobilize the femur posteriorly. Okay? Yes?
Are you going to be supplying us with the towels for the...
I'm going to have a whole little stack of supplies for you.
Right.
Yep, options. Always good options. All right, I'm also going to do wrist right now if you guys are okay with that. All right, sit on, grab a chair for me. Thank you. Hop on down. Okay, so with the wrist, what is my loose pack position for the wrist? Neutral. Good. Do you mind taking off the watch?
Yeah.
And then just make sure when you guys are doing these that you actually expose the area. If they have a sock on and you're doing the ankle, there's no way you'll be able to grip on with the sock. Expose the area. If they have a watch on, take off the watch. Right? Okay. What is my convex surface at the wrist? Carpals. Good. Okay. And it's going to be easiest to move the carpals. So convex means we go opposite the limitation. So if the limitation is hand coming up or going into wrist extension, carpals would have to go down. So we're going to stabilize the radius onto the table. We're going to leave the wrist in neutral, do a grade 1 traction, and then I do my oscillations from this point. If my restriction is wrist flexion or hand going down, again we're going to mobilize the carpals, which is convex. We have to go opposite the limitation with convex. If the restriction is hand going down, then the carpals would have to come up. So same position, neutral wrist, grade 1 traction, and then I'm coming up. Okay? All right. Team move, go. Okay, knee and wrist.